Yeah, hey traders, Michael here. We have been looking at XRP, and I put a post up on the chat saying XRP looking at short-term reversal, and if we look at the screenshot we can see that we're reversing from the high 89.16. So I'm going short in this space, and sure enough we had a nice push down, dropping nicely. Here we go, pushing nicely down, and I actually had let me just show my position here. So here are my sells on XRP. It filled 87.87, 89.49, 89.3. So 3 positions sold there. As you can see, it was at the high. And waiting for a move down. Sure enough, we actually got a break through a trend line as well, which confirmed the reversal. And we just needed it to keep moving down. Sure enough, it came down and broke into the previous swing low. Now, if we look at that chart, it is actually, yeah, that was actually back here at 81. So our entry was up here in the 89 region, right at the high, and ended up breaking down past the previous swing low, which was there. And then we had a massive push down today. Okay, so from the high, incredible move. If we measure from our entry, it's a 15% move, 15% gain. So normally we take out profit at the previous swing low. That's a very, very safe place to take profit out, especially with a strong uptrend. And so with XRP, we did have a very, very strong move high, a lot of momentum, a lot of buying coming in, and this sort of move was unsustainable, and so there was definitely an opportunity for reversal based on a number of conditions and confirmations. Now, looking at the daily chart, what we see is that XRP actually slammed right into the 200 period moving average, closed below it. As you can see, we closed below it here, then we produced a candle, and that gave us the indication that we're probably going to reverse lower. So we had a great edge on a lower time frame, and sure enough, it's still dropping like a rock. So awesome trade on XRP. That's how you get 15% in a couple of days, reversing the market. So it's learning to identify when the momentum is changing and taking the opposite direction. So there was a great trade for us, understanding the context of the higher time frame, i.e. the daily chart. If you come back here, you can see that when all the averages are bunched together, we got a reversal. Slightly different here, but we are still technically in a downtrend. So even though we've had this large momentum push higher, still in a technical downtrend. And so now at this point on the lower time frame, on the 4-hour chart, we're actually pulling back into a buy zone. So if we throw a fib on there, we're actually looking at price coming back into the 50 to 61% fib. That aligns with the moving averages right here, the 50 and the 100 and 200 together, and also this support region down here. So higher time frame says reversal, which we've had. The 4-hour chart says we're now coming into a buy zone. So I'm going to be looking in this zone here to buy, and this is the beauty. We can short the reversal on a higher time frame, then we can buy it on the next time frame down, because this 4-hour time frame is definitely extremely bullish. So looking to buy in this zone and run it back up to the trend line, and let's see what happens in the week ahead.